English listening practice. The green dress.
Maria looked at the clock. It was 6 p.m. Her long commute from work was finished, but she was still very busy. She had a list of things to do. She needed to run errands after work. First, she was very hungry. She made a quick dinner and started to dig in. She ate fast because she didn't have much time. After dinner, Maria left her apartment. The street was full of litter like paper and plastic cups. She walked to the shopping street. Her first errand was to get a new suit for her sister's wedding. She needed a jacket and trousers that would suit her. She went into a clothes shop. A friendly shop assistant showed her a beautiful blue suit.
This is nice.
Maria thought.
Can I try it on?
She asked the assistant.
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
The assistant said. Maria went into the fitting room and put on the suit. She looked in the mirror. It was perfect. The blue color was great for her. She felt happy. She bought the suit and left the shop. Now, her errands were done. She walked back home, no longer feeling tired. She thought about the wedding and smiled.
It was a good day. Match the words with their definitions.
Look at, commute, busy, run errands, dig in, litter, suit, as a noun, suit, as a verb, try something on, fitting room, put on, errands. To place clothes on your body.
It's put on.
Rubbish like paper, cans, and bags that people leave on the ground in a public place.
Litter.
Having a lot of things to do, not free.
Busy.
To go out to do a few small jobs, like going to the bank or the supermarket.
Run errands.
A small room in a shop where you can try on clothes.
Fitting room.
The regular journey you make from your home to your work and back again.
Commute.
To turn your eyes towards something so you can see it.
Look at.
The small jobs you do outside the house, like buying milk or posting a letter.
Errands.
A set of clothes made from the same material, usually a jacket and trousers or a jacket and skirt.
Suit.
To put on a piece of clothing to see if it fits and how it looks.
Try something on.
To be right or good for someone or something.
Suit.
To start eating eagerly.
Dig in.
Great job! You know more English words now. Let's watch more videos to study new English words.